Carbohydrates and proteins, two essential nutrients that play crucial roles in fueling and building the human body. In this video, we'll explore why these nutrients are vital for our health, energy, and overall well-being. So let's go! So, carbohydrates, often referred to as carbs, are the body's primary source of energy. When we eat food rich in carbohydrates, such as grains, fruits, and vegetables, our bodies convert them into a glucose, a type of sugar that fuels everything from daily tasks to intense workouts. So, these are some foods that are high in carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are important. Why? Because they provide quick energy, which is crucial for brain function, physical activity, and maintaining proper metabolism. While some people think all carbs are bad, the key is choosing the right kinds, like whole grains and fiber, rich foods to support long-lasting energy and good digestion. Now, let's talk about proteins. Well, protein is often called the body's building block. It's responsible for the growth, repair, and maintenance of tissues. Every cell in your body contains protein, making it essential for muscle development, immune health, and even the production of enzymes and hormones. So, these are some food that have protein. Proteins also help in muscle recovery after physical activities, and they are crucial for maintaining a strong immune system. While carbs provide energy, proteins support the structure and function of nearly every body process. Well, both carbohydrates and proteins are indispensable. Carbohydrates provide the fuel, while the proteins support growth and repair. They work together to keep you energized and your body function at its best. So, whether you're an athlete, a student, or simply trying to maintain a healthy lifestyle, remember, a balanced intake of carbohydrates and proteins is key. Prioritize whole foods like vegetables, grains, lean meats, and legumes to support your body's energy and building needs.